Out here in the wild, every single moment can turn into a fight for survival. Watch closely as this powerful lion moves across the open land, completely focused on what lies ahead. And now, the scene suddenly changes. A lion is seen confronting a massive buffalo. This is a dangerous encounter between two powerful animals, and neither one is willing to back down. Just when you think the situation couldn't get more intense, we witness another dramatic moment in the African wilderness. A zebra stands over what appears to be a fallen animal, showing just how unpredictable life in the wild can be. The wilderness has no guarantees. One moment, an animal is strong and confident. The next, everything can change. Every creature is constantly fighting to survive. And every encounter comes with a price.